Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a contrast pallu with multiple colors. 4 colors used in the pallu vertically with zari lines, and we have a mustard yellow color blouse piece. No, it is a dark maroon color, brownish maroon color contrast blouse piece. The complete saree is having the same vertical pattern printed, and it's a triangle pattern all over the saree printed using the cream color vertically split design. Very elegant. With top we have mustard yellow borders, and bottom we have brown borders. It's a Ganga Jamuna pattern border design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful Ananda blue color pallu with yellow prints, the fish pattern along with zari lines in the pallu, and we have same blue blouse piece with one side dark blue color borders. It's a navy blue color saree with the borders of light blue in both sides, the Ananda color blue with the prints in yellow. On the center part we have the prints in half white and green. Beautiful one, blue and blue combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines and zari borders, antique kind zari used for the black, and we have same black blouse piece, pallu color, plain one, very contrast one to the body. The body is done 2 different kind of printing, Egyptian prints as well as the tribal pattern printed all over the saree on half white base, pink used for the printing. Very elegant design, magenta pink color, and we have the borders in black. Excellent trendy design with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful sea blue color, mild green and blue mixed color pallu with very elegant semi-circles pattern block printed with zari lines, and same color pallu color blouse piece. And we have beautiful blue body. It's almost indigo blue in a darker shade. The same semi-circles pattern in the border. The complete block printing is done using half white here. Excellent one with floral prints here and there in the border. Very elegant one. The pallu color borders are given for the zari border also. Simple and beautiful saree here with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with zari lines. Same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the zari borders alone. Running color concept. The body color is also green, the center part. On the top and bottom we have half white portion with the royal blue color printing, mango design and florals, and we also have the zari borders done on the green piece. Very elegant saree, combination is very pretty. Exclusive collection with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, yellow, mustard yellow and green shade for the pallu. Same green blouse piece with red borders, maroon border almost. Big checks design all over, maroon base color with the checks inside. This completely done using mustard yellow here. A beautiful color, and again the block prints are done using maroon. The borders of the saree is in green. 3 different colors, very elegantly used with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful yellow saree with same yellow pallu. It's a very famous design recreated on request, and we have a plain same color blouse piece. The saree is also in the running color, completely in single color concept. Only the butta designs are the contrast here. That is also done in half white. The border designs also block print. Excellent color, excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual tone pallu, goldish yellow as well as orange in the pallu with zari lines, zari border. Orange, same orange rust color is given for the blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The saree completely is in half white color, creamy half white color. Beautiful one with two different kind of printing design. The rangoli design printed in multiple colors, and we also have a bird pattern block printing. We have a beautiful forest design done in the garden type. You see the deer, girl and a bird pattern done in black base, and we also have big borders that is on the base color of orange. Excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed voile tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu here with vertical zari lines and zari border, antique zari used in the saree with same color pallu color blouse piece with one side green borders. The complete saree is in dark olive shade color, beautiful color with the very famous design printed using black, the diagonal checks pattern, and we have also the borders done in the black base. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed voile tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with black block prints, as well as we have zari lines vertically. Same color blouse piece, almost a maroon shade, mild maroon shade red. And the saree completely is in cream color, half white, creamy half white, and the lady dancing design block printed here using the same maroon and black concept. And we also have a temple border and a floral pattern border in both sides in black, and we have the base of the zari borders done using red itself. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark maroonish brown color saree with same color pallu, and we have zari lines and block printed design in the pallu, both sides borders, and we also have the same color blouse piece with one side border design running in the blouse piece as well. The saree is completely in the same brown, dark brown shade with mild maroon tinge, and we have the floral design printed in both sides of the saree. We have 2 times printing horizontally in the bottom, white and blue used for the prints. The saree have the zari borders as well. Beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed voile tussar fabric. Here we have a single color concept saree. The pallu is also in the saree color, a light rama green shade color with floral pattern printed in the pallu along with zari lines, and we have same color plain blouse piece with one side the border given on the blouse piece also, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is done in a beautiful concept, the staircase type pattern. Prints are done in very different increasing pattern. Floral design, white and pink used for the printing, and a zari border in both sides. A simple and elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a black base pallu with zari lines and block printed design in the pallu with antique zari work, and we have same black blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The saree here is completely a printed version on a light pink tinge half white color base, a very traditional ancient type printing design or tribal pattern printed using pink color in the body. And we also have the black for the borders, a very elegant beautiful design all over printed with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue pallu with zari lines and block printed design vertically done in the pallu. Multiple designs used, and same blue, a light sky blue color blouse piece. The complete saree is in cream base with yellow, mustard yellow and blue prints all over the body, and we have a beautiful border design also with a mild temple pattern running in the saree. The borders of the saree is also on the light blue base color. Excellent collection, a classy version with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very different color for the pallu and blouse piece. Light pink, a pastel shade pink color, almost white and pink mix, pastel shade pink very elegant one with the same pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece, princess the zari borders, and the completely contrast body color here, a rust color saree. With both sides we have beautiful printing. It's a very different ancient type printing design, and it is done 2 in a row in the bottom on pink base as well as the dark brown base. The borders are on pink base again. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green shade saree with same body color, pallu and body color are same with block prints and zari lines in the vertical version. Same body color, plain blouse piece, green. This is a very different shade of green, almost a light rama green mix shade or sea blue, sea green shade. Very elegant prints in the body all over using pink and half white color, and we also have a black border design printed. The zari borders are also attached. Very elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu. The complete saree is in running color, zigzag pattern as well as zari lines in the pallu. Very elegant one with same pallu color blouse piece, and we also have the body with leaf printing design, and also we have the zigzag horizontal lines pattern in the body. Plain blouse piece. Excellent collection, simple and beautiful with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green shade, light turquoise green and pista mixed color. Very elegant one with yellow tinge, mild yellow tinge. You can see all over the pallu with block prints in pink and yellow. We also have zari lines in the pallu with same color blouse piece. You can see the beautiful yellow tinges here and there. Very pretty, beautiful exclusive collection. Complete sarees in the same green, and it's a beautiful green pastel shade, light green color with the prints in the 3/4 of the saree is completely a leaf design, black used for the printing, and we have the lower half with the beautiful Pochambali kind lotus and Kodi design printed. Excellent color, beautiful combination, very elegant one with authentic silk.